Okay, right. Now it is giving us, this is the question. Yeah, this is the question. This is the question. It's generated the wrong answer, but this is what we need. Yeah, it's created the wrong answer. This is what we need for our trainee. So if you get this page, this is what you need for you to send to your trainee, but you don't send the correct answer because there's no point then of making the questions because you're just sending the answer then. So it's kind of, don't do that. Be careful when you're doing that because then it'll be no point because you're just wasting your time at that point. Now, we'll go to settings because this is where we start printing, and we'll go to training. We click training question generation. We go to question generation. Now, this is where I'm going to explain. Remember, guys, I said I'm not going to explain this page because I'm going to use this page later on. This is where I'm going to use the page now. So I'm going to explain the page to you. So this is where you can print the free documents as a PDF. The three documents are basically just the the statement one, the statement two, and the question page. I hope you guys understand. You print three of them at one go. Okay? Now, we can use that. We can actually use that to make life easier for us. Okay? Now, I am going to use it, but I'm going to run you guys through everything. Now, this is to create them three as a PDF format, to print them three documents as a Microsoft Word format, and to create them as a sheet format, the three documents. Okay, guys? Now, we're going to use them, but I'm going to show you guys these ones. So, this generates the question page as a PDF. This is as a PDF email, so it emails it straight away. This one is a sheet email. It emails it as a sheet, and the next one is a Word document. Yeah. So that's what I explained here. What I explained here is what is here, but there's this button. What this button does is that it puts the data in the statement one into the depths place and the quick allocation place, so you can allocate them, which means that you can either put payments into them or leave them as they are. Okay, so now that what exactly what I explained here is what happens here in statement 2 and in the payments. Okay, hope you guys understand that. Now I am going to come here. This is the button we need. Okay, it's to create three of them in one go. Okay, all right, free PDF preview. 3, 2, 1, go. Generate task. No, we're not going to generate the task right now. We're going to do the answer first. Okay, now I'll click no. Operation stop. Okay, you want to generate the answer? Yeah. Okay, let's wait 1 second.
Hi. This is Tamara again. I need more information. Please look at the next pop-up box for the question, and enter or select the reply I need to continue. Thank you.
Okay, guys, you guys might be thinking, oh, you click to start, but you can also color your page. That's so correct, guys. Now, I'm sorry I clicked this one. It might have confused you, but let's say no. Operation stopped. That's fine.
Hi. This is Tamara again. I need more information. Please look at the next pop-up box for the question, and enter or select the reply I need to continue. Thank you.
I'll say no. And remember, guys, it's going to ask you 3 times because it's creating the document 3 times. So click no. And operation stop.
Hi. This is Tamara again. I need more information. Please look at the next pop-up box for the question, and enter or select the reply I need to continue. Thank you.
Okay, guys, I'm going to click no because, like I said, I am not going to create it right now. I'm going to do the color first before we create it. Great, it brought us straight to the statement 2 page. I'm going to close it. This is the statement 2 page. I've explained the video about the statement 2, so don't worry. We have a video there out for you so you can watch it before you come back right here so we can understand what we're doing. Alright, now I'm going to go into settings, the settings button here, and I'm clicking color and color settings.
You are now in the color settings section of this application.
Okay, now I'll go to a color here, or let's try the color number. Okay, let's just use a random number. Okay, I will go down a bit and let's click this one and let's see what we get.
Your new color has been successfully applied. Color number is 39,811. I have also copied it to your clipboard, if you would like to paste it in any other application.
Okay, that's done. Now I kind of like this color, so I'm going to go to font to make the font readable. I have a font color in my head. I'm going to click input number and we'll say -1.
Your new font color has been successfully applied. Color number is -1. I have also copied it to your clipboard, if you would like to paste it in any other application.
Okay, that's great, guys. Now I'll close this. We don't need to close it. We can still work on the applications in the background. So now I'm going to click statement 1. Okay, now we're in statement 1, right, guys? Now, so um we can change the colors in this page now. So what we do is we can choose a random number. So let's say right here, let's go here and say set select.
Your new color
Ooh,
has been successfully applied. Color number is 197,099. I have also copied it to your clipboard, if you would like to paste it in any other application.
okay, so that's done. Now we got a lovely red. Hope you guys can see the red as well on my side. Now we'll go to font color and we'll select the color. This time it's going to be -2 for
Your
white.
new font color has been successfully applied. Color number is -2. I have also copied it to your clipboard, if you would like to paste it in any other application.
Great. Now we can see the text. Okay, great. Now we can close this and we can close this one as well. And we will go to the questions page. Go to training question generation. We click on it and we go to question generation. Then we click this one because we only want to see the question page. I'll click on it. Generate task. It's fine. Anyone you click. No, actually, it's best you click no for the task. Then click OK. Then click answer. So then once you're done with that, when you click the answer and you do the color you want, then all you have to do is come here and click it again and send it straight away, and it won't disturb you if it's the task or the answer.
Hi. This is Tamara again. I need more information. Please look at the next pop-up box for the question, and enter or select the reply I need to continue. Thank you.
Okay, do you want to generate a PDF document? That's fine. Yep. Great. Now it's made a PDF document. It's going to open up soon.